Hi, my name is Camille. I'm a certified orthotist and prosthetist with Surestep, and today we're going to go over how to don and doff Surestep SMOs. First, you want to have socks that are taller than the top of the brace. So, socks that are taller than the top of the brace. You want to make sure they're not too loose and you're having too many wrinkles, because that can affect the fit of the SMOs. Yeah, wrinkles, we don't want those, right? All right, no wrinkles. Then you want to look at your Surestep SMOs. And you can see here, they have stickers that say L and R for left and right, and that tells you which side of the body it goes on. Now, if you forget or lose the stickers, you can turn your SMOs upside down and look for where the arch of the foot is, because that's gonna tell you which side it should be on, right? Usually, the long side is on the outside of the foot. You wanna open up the Surestep SMO nice and wide. These Surestep SMOs are very flexible, so you can open them up nice and wide without having to fear that you're going to break them. So when you put them on, go from behind, open them nice and wide. You're gonna tuck that foot to the back. You wanna make sure that heel is seated all the way down in the back. And you can push the big toe up and supinate the foot so you can see if that heel is seated all the way down, all right? So we're gonna make sure it's all the way down there. You'll have a Pringle chip, so you wanna tuck that in underneath these wings at the top.
And there's another Pringle chip?
Yep, that's for the other side. And then you wanna make sure your straps are nice and tight. If they're not nice and tight, what's gonna happen is your child's foot is going to move on the inside of the Surestep SMO, and that is not going to be what we want. It's not gonna keep it in the right position and not allow the foot to move the way we want it to. So you wanna make sure it is nice and tight, because the Surestep SMOs work through compression. Now you can see here, these straps are marked, and if your orthotist marked your straps, you wanna make sure you match that strap tension. So to take them off, you want to undo the straps, pop that off, keep the Pringle chip with it, and make sure you take off that socks so you can check those areas. Those should go away within about 20 to 30 minutes. If they stay longer, make sure you contact your orthotist, because your Surestep SMOs might need some adjusting, or your child might need a follow-up visit. If you're looking for more resources, make sure to visit us at surestep.net, especially if you're looking for some socks and some shoes that were made just for your child's SMOs or AFOs.